Guruji, to get peace actually, one has to go from outside to inside. Okay, Guruji.
Please.
So I found somebody who is already inside, but
Okay.
they are struggling for peace actually. So they are alone actually. Inside itself they are alone. So
Okay.
they are trying to find out outside from inside. So
Okay.
how to they help themselves so that they can have a peace.
The master and the disciples are sitting on the lake and enjoying the silence of the lake, the blooming of the lotus, the leap out of the fish, and the melody of the sound. Just they are enjoying all these things. Suddenly a disciple broke the silence and he questioned towards the silence. A disciple who broke that silence and he put a question towards the silence. And the question is this: Master, why the purpose of life is so hidden? We are not able to understand the purpose of life. We are trying on our silence every moment in the name of practice, in the name of sadhana. We are far away from the silence. And we know that we are far away from the silence because of certain external things are disturbing our silence. And certain internal things are disturbing our silence. The challenge is from both the sides. From outside, there is a challenge. Someone is coming and challenging us. If someone is challenging us, I can ignore and go. If I can ignore and go, the challenge lost its value. Something which is there inside me, which is not able to ignore it. It is taking the challenge. Though it is taking the challenge, what is taking the challenge? That we are trying to decode. Why it is taken? If it is not taken, then still I can remain in my harmony. I can remain in my silence. No? Something is challenging from outside. If that is not occurring, I can remain in my silence. Once it has happened, the something which is reacting from me inside, if that is not reacting, if that is silence, still I can remain in my harmony. Why this imbalance? I am not able to understand where I am standing. Each and every moment I am working on the silence. Somewhere I find through all the practices and sadhanas, one point of time I believe that I have achieved it. But the next problem comes and challenges me. Why this keeps on happening? This was the question which was made by the disciple. You know what the master answered? The master said, "Close your eyes and meditate," he said. You all close your eyes. You know that your thoughts are your values. These values are triggered by your emotions. Slowly drop your shoulders. Rub your hands and open your eyes. Just after this question, you have been in my meditation so far, just 2 minutes. Can you just tell me what would be your answer for this?
Uh, Actually, there are two factors. One is external factors, second is internal factors. We don't have control on external factors.
Yes.
So, what we can do, we can just ignore it because that is beyond control.
Yes.
And second thing is internal factors like our emotions,
Yes.
okay, or thoughts, as you said, this value this thoughts gives thoughts is because of the values,
Yes.
okay, and values are controlled by our emotions.
Emotions. Yes.
So once we control on our emotions,
Mhm.
so we can just control on our internal factors.
Yes.
So in that way we can actually adjust the things.
Yes.
We can reverse the things.
Beautiful.
This is what I think, Guruji.
Yes. So that will be my answer also.